Assalamu alaikum Mid-City students, and welcome to the academic session 2020-21. Hope enjoying the online classes. Today is our fourth lecture of science for grade 1. In the last lecture we have completed the explanation of our first chapter. Today we'll be starting with the explanation of new chapter, that is living and growing. In this chapter we have four subparts, that are: what are living and non-living things? Where do animals and plants live? Do animals need food? Can animals have young? Do they grow? Today we'll be starting with the first part. What are living and non-living things? Kindly refer to page number 28. There are so many different pictures on this slide related to living things. Now, have you ever went to the zoo? You must have seen so many things in the zoo. Some are alive and some are not. Things that are alive are called living things. You must have seen these pictures in the zoo: crocodile, birds and lion. Some of the things in the zoo are not alive. They are called as non-living things. I hope you have seen this slide. You must have seen these pictures in the zoo. For example, signposts, rocks and benches. These are non-living things. Things in the zoo can be sorted in two different groups. Now, kindly refer to page number 30 of your book. There are two different groups. First is living thing in the zoo and the next is non-living thing in the zoo. I hope you have seen the living things in the zoo, for example lion, crocodile, trees, plants, and the second part is the non-living things in the zoo, that are fences, signposts, rocks and dry leaves. So with explanation going further, you can see mushrooms on the slide. Are mushrooms living things? Yes, mushrooms are living things. They look like plant, but they are not plants. They are fungi. Another group of living things which will you be studying later on. Now with this we have learned today is there are different types of things around us. Things that are alive are living things, for example animals and plants. Things that are not alive are non-living things, example benches and rocks, which are related to the zoo in the previous slides. So with this we have completed the explanation. Hope in the next class we will be learning the second part, that is where do animals and plants live. Hope this class will be beneficial. Enjoy learning grade 1. Thank you.